Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. This is Fatematuj, Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is chapter 1, revision. R.W class will be held from now. We have finished our half yearly syllabus. Now we will go through the test again for revision, and this is for your better preparation. Okay, dear student, now let's start. It is topic R.W of chapter 1, lecture number 17, HW number 15. Now let's start our class. It is Aqaid. Chapter 1 is Aqaid. You know, Aqaid is a plural form, and Aqidatun is a singular form. Its meaning is belief or faith. To have faith in the fundamental aspects of Islam is called Aqaid. And Iman is an Arabic word. It means belief or faith, and to have faith or who believe in the fundamental basic aspects of Islam is called Mu'min. Okay, so it includes three things: to believe in heart, to admit verbally, or to practice and practice accordingly. These are the condition for being a mu'min. There are 7 basic aspects of Iman. These basic 7 aspects are mentioned in a kalima. This is amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal ba'si ba'da al-maut. These kalima included 7 aspects of Iman. Okay, and who has the Iman? Allah said about the Mu'min in the Holy Quran, Innal ladhina amanu wa amilus solihati jannatul firdausi nuzula khalidina fiha, meaning surely those who hold beliefs and perform virtuous deeds will be entertained in the Jannatul Firdaus. They will remain there forever. It is mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf, verse number 107 and 108. So these are about Iman and about the first lesson. Now come to the lesson 2. So dear students, for your better understanding or for your well preparation, I will point here some important topic from the lesson. If you know this topic, then this lesson is enough for you taking preparation for the exam. You have to know from lesson 2, you have to know what is nifaq. You have to know that what is nifaq, definition of nifaq. You have to know who is munafiq. Okay, who is munafiq? Characteristics of munafiq, bad effect of nifaq, and ways to stay away from nifaq. These are the important topic from lesson 2. You have to know these topics. Answer. You will get the answer in YouTube class as you receive it before in our YouTube class, in our regular class. It is R.W class, so I have mentioned only the important topic. You will focus on this topic and it will help you to take well preparation for exam. Now lesson 3. It is also here Asmaul Husna definition. It is about, lesson 3 is about Asmaul Husna. You know, Asmaul Husna is the attributes or beautiful names of Allah. So you have to know the wordly meaning and the definition of Asmaul Husna and the significance of Asmaul Husna. What is the significance? You will get it from the previous lecture also, or you can get it from the book also. And third point is some quality names of Allah with meaning and description. As it is mentioned in your book, here are 5 qualities names of Allah, like Allahu Ghaffarun, Allahu Samadun, like these 5 attributes names of Allah mentioned in your book with use description and reference also. So you have to know these 5 attributes name with meaning, description, and if you are able to memorize the reference, memorize the reference. It will raise your marks in exam. Okay, dear students, these are the R.W class. Okay, now come to your HW. It is HW number 15. You have to do 5 quality names of Allah in Arabic with meaning. You have to do this. With the help of book you can do it. It is HW number 15. After Eid vacation, this is your first HW. Okay, you can for example, I have written here one, that Allahu Muhaiminun. You have to write the meaning. Allah is the provider of shelter. Like this you have to write 4 meaning more, including this one, 4 meaning more with the help of book with meaning. Write Arabic the name of Allah. Okay, I hope that you have understood what is the HW. Okay, it is your HW number 15. Dear students, I hope that you have understood your today's lesson. I think so that it will helpful for you to take preparation well for the examination. That's enough for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.